attention please. I have started Instagram page which is named as Being Healthy 365. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I've mentioned the link in the description box below. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my 1 year special video, I had mentioned that every second long video of the channel would be on various topics related to homeopathy. So here it is. Today is the first video about homeopathy, and that will be on introduction to homeopathy, or just what is homeopathy. Without any further delay, let's get started. Homeopathy is a system of medicine which is invented by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in the year 1796. I'll just give you a brief about our master, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann was an allopathic physician, and he was dissatisfied with the prevailing system of medicine at that time. Hence, he quit the job. He stopped practicing as an allopathic doctor. Later, he invented his own system of medicine and named it homeopathy, in contrast to the existing system which he named allopathy. So the term allopathy is coined by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, and he is also the founder of the system of homeopathy. Homeopathy is based on the basic principle, that is similia similibus curantur, which means like cures like. So what does that mean? It means that the substance which causes symptoms in healthy person also cures the symptom in a diseased person. I'll explain it to you with an example, and this is the example I'm telling you, that is about an experiment through which our master Dr. Samuel Hahnemann invented the system of homeopathy. So I'll just tell you in brief. So what happened is, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann had read somewhere that cinchona cures malaria. So he wanted to experiment it. So what he did is, he made a preparation out of cinchona bark and started taking twice a day. And to his surprise, he started developing malaria-like symptoms. And when he stopped taking the cinchona bark preparation, even the symptoms subsided. But he was not satisfied with this experiment. He thought that he should also try it on his friends and family, just to clarify that whatever he is experiencing is right or not. So he gave the same cinchona bark preparation to his friends and family, and he observed that even they started developing malaria like symptoms, and when they stopped taking the preparation, they stopped getting the symptoms. So with this, he concluded that what causes the disease in a healthy person also cures the disease in a sick person. The next concept of homeopathy is individualization. That means every person is different in health as well as in disease. So let me explain it to you with an example again. So consider fever. One person may be very restless during fever, while the other may be very calm and silent. One person may have increased appetite during fever, other person may have no appetite or loss of appetite. Or one person may be very thirsty during fever, other person may be completely thirstless. Or one person may have diarrhea with fever, other person may get constipated with fever. So every person will have a particular characteristic during disease which will differentiate him from other people suffering from same disease. And these peculiar characteristics are very important for a homeopathic physician or a homeopathic doctor to prescribe a homeopathic medicine. Next is the holistic approach. Homeopathic doctors believe that the person is the one who is sick and not his individual organs of the body. That is, when a person is diseased, that person as a whole is sick and not only his individual organs. Homeopathic medicines treat the person as a whole, not only his diseased organs. Hence, there is a holistic approach in homeopathy. And for this reason, a homeopathic doctor will ask a lot of questions related to disease and also about physical characteristic of a person and mental characteristic of a person, through which a homeopathic doctor can get the picture of a person as a whole. Next is a law of simplex. So the homeopathic medicines are simple and gentle. There is a very unique way of preparation of homeopathic medicine which is called as potentization or dynamization. And in this process, the therapeutic effect of a substance is maximized and the toxicity is minimized. That's why the homeopathic medicines are called as simple and gentle medicines. And homeopathy is a system of medicine which is effective both in acute and chronic diseases. That's all for today's video. I hope you got basic understanding about homeopathy. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, you can put it in the comment section below. And if you want me to make a video on any topic related to homeopathy, you can either put it down in the comment section below or mail me at beinghealthy012@gmail.com or DM me on Instagram. I have mentioned all the links in the description box below for you to communicate with me. And yes, like the video, share it with your friends and family and spread awareness about homeopathy. And do subscribe to the channel to remain updated and start your journey on being healthy. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.